It's not the same now. We done came round and turned this music shit into another playground. And they some babies like Huey, bars like a Chewy. Longest life's a movie, I be addicted to Louis. Yeah, to all the haters and traitors, I need a podium. Benedict's, Telly's, Arnold's, hey, Nickelodeon. Special with decimals, I'm trying to get my point across. Say they love you, then they flip sides like a coin to toss. Which one, heads or tails? Way I kill shit, I should be alleged in jail. I'm on the legend still, bout mad, parabola, legendary shit. Wrote raps to my brother's Acura back when they used to laugh at you, cause your parents from Africa. President, but you cannot assassinate my character. Yeah, just check the Fahrenheit these days and stay hydrated. Welcome to the heat wave. Yeah, it's like a heat wave. There ain't a place we ain't been to these days. Yeah, it's like a heat wave. How we make it look so easy. Well, is this the way that it's supposed to be? It's like a heat wave, burning in my heart. I can't keep.
Feel me dropping bombs on these records, call it D-Day. Yeah, I've heard what he say, thinking I ain't shit though. Got these fools pissed like they just up they big toe. All I do is get though, in every single zip code. The walls closing in right now, you just a window. Homie, I'm the door, from the ceiling to the floor. When I spit my verse, these rappers ain't rapping anymore, and that's for sure. Sorry to get cocky, just iller than you and everybody in your posse. Homie, I'm probably chilling with some punani, hotter than this wasabi. Pittsburgh boy, Sidney Crosby. Smoke veggies, no Casey, no broccoli. Tell your girl if she could please stop talking. I need to put her on lock. Tired of fucking that bitch, so I put her on top.
Yeah, it's like a heat wave. There ain't a place we ain't been to these days. Yeah, it's like a heat wave. How we do it, make it look so easy. Well, is this the way that it's supposed to be? It's like a heat wave, burning in my heart. I can't keep from here.
If you have any questions, please stop by after the show. We'll fill you in as best as we can. No, my music, my microphone. give a warm welcome to Nick Apex Brochet.
Alright, I'm gonna make this really short, so I know a lot of you have been standing around for the better part of an hour. Got a minute? Alright, we're not really that technical sound guys, so every once in a while we have these issues. That's my good friend over here, that's Ricky Hill. He's actually the other half of the Ducati freestyle team, but he's the other half of the wheelchair crew this weekend. He had a nasty accident in South Carolina, so he's gonna not be riding for the next couple months while he heals up. If you do want to see Ernie ride, you can go and watch that Jim Carrey movie, Yes Man, where he does a lot of Hollywood stunt work, and recently was Jim Carrey's stunt double for that movie, right in the Ducati Hyper Motor on the streets of LA. For stunt modifications, what I've done to this motorcycle, it's fairly stock, it's a Monster 696. All I do is I have a handbrake unit here on my left side handlebar, which allows me to manipulate the rear brake when I'm jumping around the bike. I also have a crash cage here to protect the bike in the event of an incident. And slightly larger gearing to really use all the power of the motorcycle in what's probably the smallest area I've ever ridden on a surface that may or may not work. So I'm not going to keep you any longer. I'll let Matt come over here and steal the microphone and I'll get started. Hope you all enjoy the show. I really appreciate you sticking around.
Alright, thanks very much, Nick. We're going to go ahead and crank the music up, let the real show begin. Since, as we discussed earlier, a lot of people haven't had a chance to check out freestyle before, we'd like to start off with what we call the evolution of the wheelie. The wheelie is really the cornerstone trick to all freestyle. Next, we start off by demonstrating for us the power wheelie is the most basic of moves. Kind of the first thing everybody learns when they're going to get into stunting is just try to hold on the throttle and then the power is right on that Monster 696 brings seats scattered around the fence